How to delete cookies and cache on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Chrome application on your iPhone. Once you're on the main page, tap the three-dot menu icon located at the bottom right corner. From the options that pop up, select History to view your recent browsing activity. At the bottom of the History page, tap the Delete Browsing Data button. You can now choose what to delete by tapping on the Browsing Data button. Ensure that cookies, site data, and browsing history are checked. Tap Confirm to continue. Next, tap on the time range to select how far back you want to clear data from. For example, select last hour. Finally, tap the red Delete Data button at the bottom to proceed. A confirmation tick will appear on the button, and your selected data for the chosen time range will be deleted. Following these steps, you can easily delete cookies and cache in Chrome on an iPhone.